When you think of Ferrari, you probably think of ultra luxury high price tags, but not all of them are out of reach. Today, we're going to cover off all the cars that should cost a fortune or might do in maintenance, but for a bargain. This is the 5 cheap Ferrari list. First up is the Ferrari 360 Modena, preferably a coupe. This is something that sits in my stable, and I definitely think it is well worth being on this list. For under £50,000, you can pick up a pretty good specification Ferrari 360, and if you wanted, in Rosso Corsa to live that Ferrari lifestyle. This is a sleek and timeless design, created by Pininfarina, and it has that 3.6 litre flat plane crank V8 that revs up to 8,500 RPM. So if you don't like noise, this isn't the car for you. But if you like styling, beauty and noise, this is the car for you. It's the first generation of Ferrari where they actually became drivable. This car you could use regularly and, touch wood, it's not going to go wrong. This car is bulletproof. The engine is meant to be incredible and really reliable. You could get the F1 gearbox in this, but as a preferred option, if you can find one, get a gated manual. It makes it all worth it, and it's a lot more desirable. Next, we have a 599 GTB Fiorano. This is one that might still be a little bit more of an investment, but it's a front-engine V12 Ferrari that's actually within reach for enthusiasts. With 612 horsepower, it's got serious power, plus a sleek, aggressive design. Now, how are those two things in one? Ferrari. This is a model that can just stand proudly alongside modern Ferraris, whilst it's affordable by Ferrari standards. It's every bit a showstopper on the road. Coming up next is one with a little bit more practicality, and that is the Ferrari California. It's perfect for those that want the best of both worlds, a Ferrari that's both powerful and comfortable enough for everyday use. The California is a hardtop convertible with a 4.3 litre V8 engine with 454 horsepower. This car was designed to be more approachable and versatile, making it great for those that want to dive into that Ferrari lifestyle without jumping into a hardcore supercar. And with that retractable hardtop, you're getting coupe and convertible vibes, depending on what you're feeling on the day. Now, let's talk about the Ferrari 456 GT, a real hidden gem in the Ferrari lineup. With its front-engine V12 and classic Grand Touring design, the 456 combines power, luxury in a perfect way that's great for long drives. It's more understated compared to modern Ferraris that may be seen as more flashy, making it a great choice for those who appreciate that subtle elegance. Plus, the 456 can seat 4, so it's one of the only Ferraris that you could actually consider practical. Well, for a Ferrari that is, and without buying a Pierce-Angway. It's worth noting before I move on from this car, they are known for being expensive on maintenance, so make sure you've kept some money aside. Alright, well, we're 4 down on this list for cheap Ferraris, the quirkiest one being saved for last. If you're enjoying this video and love the idea of Ferrari ownership on a budget, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll be bringing you more content on affordable supercars, maintenance tips and more. Now let's dive in and see the last Ferrari on this list. Now I said quirky, I should have said disliked. This is the Ferrari Mondial. This has been called the ugly duckling of the Ferrari family. But hear me out, it's still a Ferrari, and in the convertible variant, it's actually pretty cool. The Mondial might not be as sharp as the other models, but it's got a V8, a classic Italian design, and a Ferrari badge, plus being a 4-seater convertible. It's got room for friends, making it perfect for road trips and weekend getaways. While it might not be the most beautiful Ferrari out there, it's surprisingly charming and lets you get into the 80s Ferrari world for a fraction of the price. Plus, you've got a Ferrari logo and you can put the roof down. What a cool car. And there you have it, there's 5 affordable Ferraris, proving that you don't need millions to own a piece of Italian automotive history. Each one of these cars offers its own unique piece of Italian history and pedigree, and that comes through from the 360 screaming V8 right through to the luxury on the 456 GT. But yeah, just remember, although these cars might be affordable, sometimes the pricing of maintenance isn't, and I'm going to be going over how much my 360 has cost me in the last year in the next video, so keep an eye out for that one. So that brings it all to a close. Let me know if there's something I missed out on this list or you think should have been added, and also make sure to subscribe, like and comment. It means the world to me and it allows me to keep going on this journey and hopefully make lots more content to come. So thanks all, I'll speak to you all soon, bye bye!